Okay, let's take a look at the up-close version of how to remove this armrests. This lightweight manual chair actually has a lever here. So what you do is you push that in and lift up. That lever right here releases the latch down on the plastic here. Okay? So that's how you do that. And then it just snaps back into place. Let's take a look at the close-up of the other manual wheelchair. The other manual wheelchair actually has a button right here. That button you depress, and then you remove it like so. Some buttons are a little bit tougher than others to push, but this one works fine. And then you just lock it back into place. Let's take a look at the transport chair. The arms on the transport chair, as you can see, don't have levers or latches or buttons. You can't really remove these armrests. And so if you're having trouble removing the armrest from your chair, you're probably using a transport chair. Because in general, either manual chair, whether it's a normal manual chair or whether it's a lightweight manual chair, is going to have removable armrests.